Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to short sell on Webull. To begin, short selling is a trading strategy where you sell shares you don't own, expecting their price to fall. You then buy them back at a lower price to return to the lender, profiting from the difference. However, it's crucial to understand that this strategy involves substantial risk, including the potential for unlimited losses if the stock price rises significantly. Webull facilitates short selling, but it requires a margin account, and the specific stock must be available to borrow. Before you can short sell on Webull, you need to meet specific account requirements. First, you must have an approved margin account, as short selling cannot be done with a cash account. Your margin equity, which excludes options and pending deposits, needs to be at least $2,000. Additionally, not all stocks are available for short selling. You'll need to check if the stock you're interested in has a blue downward arrow icon on its detail page, which signifies it is shortable. Once your account is set up and you've identified a shortable stock, executing a short sell order is straightforward. Go to the stock's detail page and tap the trade button. Instead of buy, you'll select sell short as your order type. It's often recommended to use a limit order to control your entry price. Enter the number of shares you wish to short and submit your order. After execution, your short position will appear with a negative quantity. Remember to monitor your trade and eventually buy to cover to close the position. Managing short positions effectively is crucial due to their inherent risks. You'll incur daily borrow fees for the shares you've borrowed, which can significantly affect your profitability, especially over longer periods. To mitigate the risk of theoretically unlimited losses, always consider setting a stop-loss order. This automatically buys back shares if the price moves against you, limiting your downside. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.